Hi, my name's Kevin Hennah. I've worked with libraries now for over 20 years on design, reinvigorations and strategies to maintain relevance. I also work with a team at Merchandising Libraries, helping to make sure that their products meet the practical needs of libraries. Those of you that have heard me present before will be aware that I'm often quite critical about traditional ways of building displays in libraries. So, rather than just be critical, I thought it was really important to design a solution, and I love this product. These are called Hero display discs. Now, the classic design is a simple black disc. These screw to the wall using quite smart and stylish silver bullets, and that's often a signage disc that would sit in the top left-hand side. And then alongside that, we mount discs, which of course hold books. This is the fiction size, and it comes in non-fiction as well, which was the larger one I showed you before. They're incredibly strong because the way they mount to the wall is by attaching a screw through the acrylic, which by the way is 4.5mm thick clear acrylic, the same products that's used in airplane windows, so incredibly good quality, with flame polished edges so you can't cut or scratch yourself. That attaches onto there, we screw through into the wall, and you have a pretty impressive looking book display. I became obsessed with creating discs that look like pomegranates. So on a recent trip to Thailand, I took a photograph at a fruit stall and created these. You too could do the same. You could look through art files or create your own. As long as we've got a high resolution photograph, we can print anything. That said though, the black one that I showed you before is by far the most popular, and it makes a fantastic backdrop for books. I've chosen to share this photograph with you of the Latimer School in London, where I specified 32 non-fiction sized discs, because with Hero book display discs, most certainly more is better. The only other thing I would say about this product is if you're working on a limited budget, this is a really great way to create a display that is incredibly sophisticated and stylish without spending a whole lot of money, hopefully demonstrating to the powers that be that it's worth investing more money. So good luck with transforming your library displays.